Are you looking for a good heavy-duty retractable garden hose reel? This video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth, and this is the 130-foot retractable garden hose reel by HOZEREEL. This is a self-retracting, wall-mounted, automatic recoil hose reel. It has a lock that can be adjustable at any length. It includes 2 different nozzles, one of which has 10 different settings. If you love your garden but watering becomes a chore for you, having a retractable hose reel is a total game changer. This has a self-rewind system. What that means is that you can pull the hose out, take it to wherever you need watering, get your chores done, give it a little tug, and it retracts right into itself. The hose has a nice, smooth, glossy finish, as you can see, so that when it gets dirty, muddy, it cleans up very easily. What's nice about this model is that this hose guide on the inside here moves back and forth as you pull the hose out, so that way it can guide your hose to be lined up evenly inside of this casing. That prevents tangling and allows you to expand and retract the hose a bazillion times without having to worry about it tangling or kinking. Let me show you. When I let go of it, it locks itself into place, so you can see, hands-free. It's holding where it is. It's like, I don't know, 30 feet of it is probably out right now. You just give it a little tug. It's a 130-foot hose, which is great. It has a 180-degree swivel mount. It's well built, it's leak-free. It has a nice long length. You can take this down and put it away in the winter if you want to. It even has a little handle on top for you to easily carry it and put it away when you're ready to. Having a retractable garden hose makes garden chores and watering flowers a total game changer. I have 2 retractable garden hose reels now. This is my second one. They are different brands, and I'll tell you, I have a new favorite, and this is it. Highly recommend. Now here's a look at the installation process. Now we chose to install ours just a little differently. We installed ours to a cedar block on the outside of the siding so that we could prevent the lag bolts from having to go through our siding. Other than that minor detail, we installed it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next step was to mount the unit, which was super easy. It glided right in. We tested the swivel functionality. It worked great. Next step was to install that last securing screw just to make sure that the swivel function stayed nice and tight. We attached the generous 6-foot leader hose on both ends. P.S. Having a hose splitter on your spigot adds extra versatility that will come in handy later. We attached the multifunctional spray nozzle and gave it a test. The unit tested out just great. This retractable hose reel is super strong, super versatile, and everything that I have wanted in this product.